Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to the INI-CET Mock 9, the Mega Mock. The reason I'm saying it to be Mega Mock is because this mock is based on the new INI-CET pattern where each question will be shown for 45 seconds. There are 19 questions for 20 minutes. So this is going to give you a feel of time sensitive exam. Yes, I hope all of you are part of my Insta channel. This quiz is being relayed on my Insta channel and on my YouTube channel. I'll also post the link on my Telegram channel. The reason I have changed this is just to teach you guys how to be time sensitive, because normally in a Telegram quizzes I have seen students answering 9 questions in around 1.5 minutes, but technically 9 questions would be required to solve in around 4 minutes. To bring that, I have done this, okay, just to give you a practice. So I hope all of you are a part of the Telegram group. The next slide which comes up will be the first question. So even I have to wait for 45 seconds. So basically I am going to give you that feel of the main exam. Okay. So when we wait, we will be chit-chatting as well. Yes. So I hope in the next few seconds we'll see the first question which we'll be discussing. I hope all of you are on track for the INI-CET exam. Everyone is well set, well prepared. Do not panic. You are going to rock the exam, so do not worry at all. Okay. So 7th May 2024. Yes, see, I have to also wait when the slide has to change for me to tell you the answer. The following life cycle most closely resembles which of the following viruses? Now in this, my key word would be this: the amplifying host is pig. This is classical feature of Japanese encephalitis. So Japanese encephalitis. What can be the other questions? The vaccine update. Now we give intramuscular killed vaccine in the left thigh. That is our indigenous Genvac or the Kolar strain. It can be used till 28 days. Yes. Another question of Japanese encephalitis. The JE vector are outdoor resters, so you have to go for outdoor spraying. See, the question is changed. Figure over here shows. Now what is this? This is sandfly, lot of hairs on body. So basically Anil Kapoor of vectors. Yes, so many hairs on the body. It causes leishmania. It also causes Chandipura encephalitis. Yes, it also causes oriental sore. Now basically this is managed by pyrethrum. The older one was DDT. Yes, you have to spray till 50 feet. Even though it is a fly, it just hops. It cannot fly, bites in the ankle region. Next question. A latex agglutination test for detection of meningitis was approved. Calculate the sensitivity of the test. Now over here if you see, they have wrongly drawn the table. So you have to first redraw the table. So disease, non-disease, test positive, test negative, because disease, non-disease is a feature of gold standard. So 27, we will flip the position. 3, 5, 95. Sensitivity is 27 by 30, 90%, whereas specificity is 95 by 100. That is 95%. Answer to this question was option number A. So it was all about to know how to draw a 2 by 2 table. This image is a box and whisker plot. The first image is normal. Now if you see, the elongation is more on this side. So this is a negative skewed. This, my dear students, is a positive skewed. Now how to see? You need to rotate this images by 90 degree clockwise. So normal, negative, positive. Answer to this question was option number 2. Box whisker drawn in case of quartiles. If it is a normal distribution, the 4 parts will be equal. If it is a non-normal distribution, the 4 parts would not be equal. Yes. So this is showing this. Q1 to Q3 is interquartile range. Q2 is median. This, my dear students, is a stem and leaf plot The first letter is a stem, the second letter is a leaf. So suppose I circle this, so 6 5 will be 65. I circle this 8 7 87. Now how will you calculate the median? It is in arranging in ascending order. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you can see 72 is the middle number, so my median will be 72. So basically what I have done, I have just counted the middle number because it is arranged in ascending order. This is a miscellaneous image which is used for depiction of data. In an agreement between SpO2 of two groups with and without micropore in a pediatric population, the value spotted is as of below, which is true. Now over here if you see, this is a straight line going up. So there is no agreement. No, two groups have a constant relation with variation of 3%. Might be. There is no association. No. Curve shows a regression line, which means correlation as well. So the best answer is option number D. A regression line is nothing more than equation of straight line. Y is equals to mx plus c. It tells you about the relationship. Yes, it tells you about the relationship. I hope I am clear with this. No doubt, guys. So this is that. This you can see we are having a peculiar pattern, but it is not linear. So it is a non-linear relationship. Now linear would be straight line. No, it would have been a line parallel to the x-axis. Now guys, if I draw scatter diagram, this will be no relationship. This is a linear relationship, linear positive and linear negative. Relationship between two quantitative variables is what is the job of a regression or a correlation. This image is a scatter plot. Yes, dots are scattered, so it is a scattered plot. Okay guys, so I hope you are enjoying this. I am also trying to give you explanation for 45 seconds for every question. This question, the highest point is the mode because it is the most frequently occurring. Everybody knows who stays in the middle, the median. You can see the A is mean, and over here we are having a tail. So this image indicates a right or a positive skewed. In a right skewed, guys, mean is maximum. So mean maximum, then median, then mode. So answer to this question is option number A. I hope I am clear with this. No doubt a very important image. The same image depicted on a box whisker would be something like this, where there is a elongation on the right side. Yes, important image. Question 9. A 42-year-old woman from a dry state who ingested khesari dal for a long time presented with complaints of weakness in both the lower limbs, nausea and fatigue. Over due course of time, he is completely unable to walk. What is this? See guys, khesari dal. The moment khesari dal, you should think of Lathyrus sativus because the disease is lathyrism. Rather, I should say lathyrism. Lathi means stick. So because unable to walk, so they need a stick to walk. There is spastic paralysis which is seen in this. Now how to escape from this? One is taking vitamin C prophylaxis and another is parboiling. Yes. Question 10. A place with 40 to 50 cases of dengue, 48 cases now. So it is a endemic. What is a pandemic? When more than one WHO region is basically impacted. What is a sporadic? It is a scattered out cases. Outbreak or epidemic is defined when it is mean plus 2 standard deviation. If it is more than that, endemic, it is less than mean plus 2 standard deviation. What does this mean? Suppose my mean is 50, SD is 10, so this would be 70. If I am having less than 70 cases, it is endemic. More than 70 cases, it is epidemic or outbreak. Just an example to explain you the definition. This was an excellent question requiring common sense. You can see maximum data is between 300 to 400. So my answer is 1. But let us see. It would have been exactly 350 if the data would have been equally distributed. But here you can see there is 5 plus 10 plus here is 25. Total is 40. Here if you see there is 20 and 7. Here there is 27. There is more data on this side. That is the reason better answer becomes below 350. If you look into MCQ books, the way they have given, you can never ever solve in the exam because they have taken mid values, which is not possible. I hope I am clear with this, guys. No problem. Question 12. Which point in the below natural history of disease marks the onset of the symptom? Here, stage of susceptibility. So basically A would be the exposure, so the organism is entering the human body. Stage of subclinical disease. Here slowly the symptoms are developing, and probably here to here it will be incubation period, because here we have stage of clinical disease. So C indicates onset of symptoms. So guys, A to C indicates my incubation period. So C is the onset of symptoms. After the symptoms develop, you can have recovery or disability or death. I hope I am clear with this. This, my dear students, is a red color biomedical waste bag, which is basically used for recyclable stuff. Anatomical waste, no point in recycling, put it in yellow. Sharp waste goes into the white box. Urine bag goes into yellow. Sorry, urine bag goes into red. This is a mismatch. Urine is yellow, goes into red. Soiled waste goes into yellow. Blood bag, blood is red but goes into yellow. So no confusion, urine bag will go into red color. We will recycle it. Yes, important. Hospital waste management, surely going to give you a question in the AIMS exam. Okay, guys. Question 14. A new test in red line has been designated to diagnose a disease condition. The test is being applied both normal and disease population. The graph of which is given below. Which of the following is that? Okay, now basically this was that image. Yes, probably it has not come up. Yes, demerits of being colorblind. Yes, now if you look over here, you will see the area over here. The intersection is less. What is this? This is false positive. This is false negative. Guys, my FPS dropped, my FNS dropped. So sensitivity is TP divided by TP plus FN. Since FN has come down, SN will go up. Similarly, specificity is TN divided by TN plus FP. So both sensitivity and specificity will go up. This question is VVM, vaccine vial monitor. 1, 2 is usable. 3, 4 not usable. Which among the following is usable? A, B. Because you have to look into the color of square. The color of square, if it is less than color of circle, you will use it. But if the color of square becomes equal to the color of circle, don't use it. If color of square becomes more than the color of circle, still don't use it. Vaccine vial monitor tells you damage by heat. Important, it is present over here, or it can also be present over here. Which test, while testing deleterious health hazards on a group of people after giving a drug and placebo, the following results were observed. You need to redraw the 2 by 2 table properly. This is drug, this is placebo. 1803, 1603, 15224, 15224. Yes, now ARR, absolute risk reduction, is 1603 by 15224 minus 1803 by 15224 minus 200 by 15224. Minus sign because it is health hazard. NNT, number needed to treat, is 1 upon ARR. So my answer would have come out as around 76 or 77. What sign does this indicate? Cytotoxic waste would have been a C. Yes, electronic waste is written as a E waste. Biomedical, this is a radiation hazard. This is a radiation hazard. Yes, guys. Now, so see, that's what I want to tell you. When it is a 45-second rule, you could see the previous question I could not even calculate. The previous question answer is 76 or 77. So basically, you need to understand that this is what is time-sensitive exam, where you have to be on the tip of your toes. You cannot doze off. You cannot give too much of thoughts. And that's good because that will restrict overthinking. Especially girls, you will score better. Boys, we know boys don't think. Girls are overthinkers. Graph of vitamin D value post ANC supplementation. Which option is correct? Over here, if you see, here the data is only for 20 people, here the data is for 40 people. So there is more data on this side. If I rotate it, it will look something like this. So this is right skewed, 75% above 36. It is not 75%. Interquartile value of around, it is 18 to 36. Again, this can't be the answer. Median is here. Median is around 24. This can't be the answer. So single best answer, this was a positive skewed image box whisker plot. This question, what will be the arrangement? This is a uniform bimodal. In a uniform bimodal, we know the modes are same. They have two modes, but the central line over here is the mean and the median. So mean is equal to median, not equal to the mode. So answer to this question was option number 2, uniform bimodal bathtub distribution. Yes guys, done. This is all about the INICET grand mock, where I just wanted to give you a practice of time sensitiveness. Yes, I hope you have liked the INI-CET mock series. Yes, thank you guys for being a part of this quiz and also allowing me to be a part of your life. We will still continue with excellent discussions from today night, so do not worry. Bye bye guys, see you, love you all the best, rock the show. Your host, your dost, Dr. Siddharth, AIMS Delhi 204, year May 2012. Bye bye.